Let's get ready to have some fun, cause you guys are watching Milo's Mission.
Cut my bandage off on my chin.
Yeah, he cut his bandage off from his chin. Now he's good. Wow, you didn't fall and bust your chin that time.
You're gonna toast my vest with this one.
Okay. What are you doing, Indy? Can you get up there, Indy?
Yeah.
You did it, Indy. Whoa, whoa, Indy, wait. Let me help you. Don't just go running and jumping.
Dad, give me help.
Oh, you scared me.
Me
Yeah. You can put your foot on there, Indy, if you want to. Milo, you're doing great. Here, Indy, let me help you do it. You can climb if you want. Yeah, you can get down. You want down? You need help down? No, up. You're doing it, Milo. You're doing amazing. Indy, wait for me. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness, hang on, Milo's Missions. Indy's almost made it all the way across.
Hey, juice.
You're doing it, girl. You're doing amazing. You're very persistent. Almost there, almost there. Yay, Indy, you did it. Oh no, Indy. What in the world are you doing up there? You look like you're the king of the hill.
But king of eels.
I'm gonna call you Hank.
What is Hank?
Hank Hill, he sells propane. Propane is gas for like grills and stuff. You can do it, Indy. You can do it. Wow. You coming back down, girl? And they're off. Oh no, y'all want to race down that slide, will you? You will. Yeah, Bubba busted his chin doing that other day because it was raining and it was wet. So
it's on this hand, no?
Just make sure not to fall and hit your chin.
Oh, my head and this.
Can you make sure she's all right? Because I can't reach her now. She's too far up there. Wow, she did great, didn't she?
We can go down this one.
You guys racing? Just don't let your leg get stuck. Whoa. Indy, that was a little fast for my liking. You guys are going back down there? There they go. All right, now we're gonna go to the swings. Indy is riding the Pelican. You want up there?
Yeah.
Do you need my help?
Yeah.
Whoa. You need me to get on one side? How's that ride? You want me on the turtle? Alright, Isla, let's get on the turtle. Milo's on the swing. And me and Isla are on the turtle. Whoa, I was kicking it. What are you doing, crazy girl? Indy, look at Isla. That's pretty cool. Do you want to get on the swing? Okay. Whoa, you're getting it. Woohoo! Isla's turn. Whoa! All right, you guys like the swing? How's that? Oh! Pull you? Whoa, you better hang on tight. You're really swinging. How about you, Indy? You want to go higher? Yeah. How's that, girl? Is that good? You want to go faster?
Yeah.
Faster? Faster? No, 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 no faster. You're going too fast already. How about you, buddy? You want to go faster?
Faster, faster. No, pull me faster.
Ah. That was a fun time at the park, huh? Alright, Milo's Missions, that was fun. Peace out, Star Pizza Kings and Queens. Hey, Milo's Missions, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Both of those buttons are located down below. Thanks for watching again. Peace out, hot dogs.